Hey y'all, Ashley K here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I know you can see by the title, I'm actually going to be dropping a gem. I'm going to be talking about an app that I think I found that may make us a lot of money, you guys. Okay, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K, and I specialize in videos on making money. I specialize in videos on business, and most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life. So if that's something that you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And yes, let's get into this video, and make sure you stay to the end because today's video is going to have a little bit of a surprise going on. So make sure you guys are watching to the end and finding out what's going to go on, because only the people that's going to stay to the end is going to get the real tea. Okay, you guys. So yes, now that we got that out the way, let's talk about what this video entails. Okay, you guys, talk about this app that I actually found in the Apple Store, or in the App Store. You guys, I was actually scrolling around. I was trying to find lazy apps that can make us some money. Some of my budget friendly gang that wants to know about apps that can make them some money with doing the most minimal work, most minimal effort, and can actually make us some real money. Okay, so I went ahead and I found this one app, and I had to tell y'all about it. Okay, I had to share. Okay, more specifically, this app is going to be for girls, but you know, I don't discriminate. Definitely my guys out there can definitely check this app too. The app is called ToChat. So I'm actually going to put all the info down below in the direct link so you guys can download this app if this is something that you want to check out. But yes, the app is called ToChat. Okay, you guys, and basically what the app name is exactly what it actually does. Okay, and don't mind my face, you guys, I'm going through a crazy breakout, you know, so yes, don't mind my face. But anyways, let's get back to this. But yes, you guys, so this app is called ToChat, and basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to make a profile. The app is completely free. There is certain things in the app that you can pay for, but we'll get into all of that. But basically, to download the app is completely free. I'm only speaking about my iPhone users. I'm sure that this can be available in the Android store as well too. So yes, go ahead and check this out if you are not an Apple user as well. I'm sure that it's in all the Google Play stores and all the app stores in different phones as well too. But you're gonna go ahead and download the app ToChat. It's gonna require you to make a actual profile, so you can basically, you are going to be chatting to people that you do not know, so just be mindful of that. You can create a profile with your name if that's what you want to do, but I would advise not to. Probably put a fake name or whatever, and put a different location. Don't put your actual location and stuff like that, just on safety reasons. You know, I want to keep my budget family safe, so if I am going to be recommending stuff, I'm going to be telling you what the smart decision would be to do. So that's what I would do. Put a name that you make up, put a location, a different location than where you actually are. Okay, you guys, and basically what's gonna happen is it's gonna prompt a whole bunch of people, and basically what people do is they actually pay to talk to you, and every message that you send back to the people that message you, then you get points, and the points accumulate and add up, and these points add to actual dollars, you guys. Okay, so eventually you do get to cash out. This app is PayPal friendly, so it goes straight to your PayPal when you do cash out, and you have enough points to be able to cash out. And yes, that converts into actual money, and you are actually just sitting there and talking to people. Like, it does not require you to meet anybody, does not require you to go outside of your four walls. Okay, this is basically as easy as it gets when it comes to making money. You literally sit there and you respond back to people's messages. Okay, you guys, so let's get into, I think it's about 10 coins to every message that you send back, and these coins equivalent to dollars. When you get a certain amount of dollar amount, it actually shows you the exchange rate for every coin that you get, how much you'll get in dollars. So I think that is really cool for something that you would just be doing nothing, like for doing nothing basically. So a couple of things I do want to explain is that there is different ways on the app that you can make more money than just responding to messages. You can do video calls with people. I would not recommend, I mean, to each his own, but I did not do video calls with people, and I was still able to make up to $50 on this app in just a few days. So do with that information is what you decide. If you decide to video chat with people and do that, you can gain a lot more money, but this is all up to you and what you decide to do. So definitely just be mindful of that. Just make sure you're safe. And I will give you a little disclaimer, you guys. This app is a little bit more spicier than what I recommend my people. It's a little bit different than what one of my most apps that I recommend. So just be mindful of that. You know, you are gonna get some weirdos on there and stuff like that, but basically, like I said, you don't have to hold a whole conversation with these people. You respond back to a message. Sometimes you can copy paste messages and you still get money. So so just be mindful of that too. And like I said, guys can join as well. This app is user friendly to anybody to be able to use it, but just be mindful. You know, there is going to be some little bit weirdo people on there, so just be mindful of that and just be safe while you are doing this app. I would not recommend any of my people to be meeting up with random people. Okay, you guys, if you don't know people, just be mindful and be safe and use your discretion when you are using this app. A lot of money and doing little to no work. I will say this is gonna take quite a bit of time and it's not as fast as my other side hustles that I have recommended. So you're not gonna make $1 million in one night. Just be mindful of that. It is very tedious because you are responding to messages upon messages, and sometimes you get an influx of messages as well too. And I will want to say too, when you are creating a profile, try to choose pictures that don't show your face per se, just kind of just different pictures. People really don't care on this app. Like honestly, like they'll talk to a wall. So that's why I would say just make sure you're creative when it comes to your photos that you are putting on this app. Just be mindful that people are going to be talking to you, random people. So yeah, like you can basically, like I said, copy and paste things, pretty much put things, yeah, copy and paste, respond to messages. You'll get a lot of different messages from a lot of different people. So yes, that's basically everything I wanted to say about this app. But definitely, if this is something that you're interested in, I will link all the information down below. Great side hustle to have if you just have 5-10 minutes out of your day and you're bored and you just want to be responding back to messages. This is the one for you, and you really don't want to be doing a lot of work. You can make a little bit of money over time, so definitely check this out. I will link it down below like how I said before. And yes, now that we got to the end of that, I also wanted to share that this video is going to be a giveaway video. Okay, yes, you guys, this is going to be my first giveaway of 2024. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribing to the channel, new and old, for sticking with me, all my oldies for sticking with me and holding me down. I thank you guys so much for the continued support. You know, I'm a very, very busy person. So yes, you guys, so it can be quite chaotic with my life and stuff, but I'm trying to get back into YouTube and get back into some type of flow. So for you guys sticking with me, the budget fam, for being able to show your continued support, you guys are so sweet. So I wanted to do a mini giveaway. Like I said, this ain't gonna be no $1 million, okay? I'm definitely gonna be on money to a lucky subscriber, okay, you guys? So definitely, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you need to be subscribed to the channel, okay? That's the number one thing. You need to be subscribed to the channel. You need to comment down below that underneath this video down below. Definitely be able to follow me on my social media. It will be linked down below as well too. Those 3 steps can gain you a wonderful entry into this giveaway, okay, you guys? So you need to be doing all 3 of those to be able to win, okay? And you also need to have a PayPal account, because I will be sending the lucky person I will be sending the lucky winner money through PayPal. So you need to make sure that you are a PayPal user. PayPal is free to join. I will link it down below if you don't have one already. So make sure you have those 4 things down packed, or else you cannot enter the giveaway or you will not be chosen. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to be running it till, I'm going to say May 7th. So until May 7th will be the last day that you can actually enter on this giveaway. So be sure to get your entries in before then. And yes, you guys, everything for this giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for continuing to subscribe to the channel, continue to watch your girl, okay? We on to bigger and better things this year. And yes, good luck to all my people that are going to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next one.